like the hardest part for me, it's definitely the communication with the dentist and my colleagues. It's on another level compared to just chatting with friends, teacher, or other people. They speak really fast, the accent can be tough to catch, and sometimes I honestly have no idea what they're saying. For example, yesterday I was assisting with a filling case and I asked the dentist which color composite he wanted. Instead of saying A1 or A2 or whatever shade, he just said something like, "It's that bottle sitting down over there." And was like, wait, what? Because I was expecting a color code, he just kept saying, "Yeah, the bottle that's lying down over there." And it took me a moment to realize he meant a specific composite for molar that wasn't labeled the way I was used to. So yeah, the communication is generally tough and it can make me feel a bit less professional in front of patients if I don't understand right away. Here in Australia, it's a bit different from used to back home. Thailand, we use this composite stick. Just squeeze onto a little mixing pad and hand over. But here you have to like load this tiny refill composite onto a little gun and then pass it to the dentist. And because the refill is too small, I thought he was done with it. When he handed the gun back to me, I went ahead and cleaned it up. But when I turned around, he kind of just looked like, "Where's my composite?" And I was like, wait, what do you mean? He said something like, "The composite in the bottle." And I was totally confused, thinking he wanted me to put the used refill back into the original container, which obviously would be kind of contaminated and not clean. He got a bit frustrated and eventually just said, "No, it's empty. The composite, it's empty." And then I realized, oh, he just wanted me to replace it with a new one. And I'm just standing there going like, why is this so hard? When he finished the filling and he said like, "Okay, you can write it down on the paper." And I started getting nervous because I wasn't that familiar with going the sharding in this way. In Thailand, I did a bit, but not with this exact term. He said something like, "1 3 measle." Something, it's hard. It's that sound like in Thailand we just call me seal. So I just kept going like, "Sorry, what was that?" And he tried another term like incisor or incisor, and I just couldn't catch it. I had admit to like, "Sorry, Peter, I don't know how to spell it." So he was sighing. He just write just I on incisors. I just want to say to any Thais thinking becoming a dental assistant here, the number one rule, like even more important than the actual technical process, is communication. Every clinic or hospital here really wants strong communication skills. If you can't easily talk with them or quickly understand which tools to hand over, it's really tough and it can be exhausting. And of course, it can make you feel a bit down on yourself and everyone else is a native speaker and you're just trying to keep up. But hang in there. It's like all part of the journey. Bye.